powder. I will start by cutting and peeling the yam. The yam is washed already. Slice the peeled yam into very thin slices, and this is going to help them to dry fast. Transfer the yams inside water until you're ready to use it to prevent them from changing color. And once that is done, strain it out. Next, add hot water to the yams to pre-cook the yam. I'll give it a quick stir. I'll be leaving the yam inside the hot water to pre-cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, remove the yams from the water and transfer it inside a strainer. It's time to dry the yam. I will be using a dehydrator because currently when I filmed the video, there was no sun where I live. If you have enough sun, spread the yams on a tray and put it under the sun to dry. This is 12 hours later. I checked, and at this point the yams are dried and they retain their color. I'll go through all of the trays to make sure everything is dried. Next, I will break the yams so it will be easy for the blender to grind. You can also use a commercial grinder to grind the yam as well. I'll transfer the yam inside a blender and I'll be grinding it into powder form. The yam powder is ready. Transfer it inside a dried container. And this is how much I got from one yam. The yam powder is very smooth. You can use this to make your yam swallow, which is called poundo. Allow it to cool down and pack it in an airtight container. Bring it out when you're ready to use it. Thank you all so much for watching.